It's springtime and everybody wants to be outside, so why not take your kids fishing? You don't need a boat, you don't need a kayak, you could take a little walk down to your local pond or lake or river, wherever you might be, and I'll show you exactly how easy it can be to catch a boatload of fish and have a great time with plenty of smiles for both you and your little ones. All right, let's get into it. And all right, Fishalots, so the weather has finally broke. We've had about 4 or 5 really warm nights and days. You can tell by that algae growth how fast the weather has really warmed up. And there's little Ben, and whoa, that's the first time he's almost going to fall into the lake on this trip. And these fish are going to really react positively to this warming trend, and you're going to see that. This will be about as much narration as you're going to get from me. The rest is going to be all fishing. Oh, here we go, Ben. Whoa, crappie magnet, caught me a crappie. Well, that's a nice crappie there, Fishalots. So that's a big one. We're gonna have to thumb him. Let's get my Mr. Crappie up here. Whoa!
Hello.
Hello, fish. Hello, fish. Hi, fish.
Hello.
Hi. There you go, Fishalots. So crappie magnet. That's actually a nice crappie there. And there you go, that's a spring crappie right there. All right, let's let him go. Bye-bye, fish. Oh, you're gonna bring me more crappie magnets? All right, that's where they hit right there, so. Oh, thank you, thank you. These are my crappie magnets. Oh, there we go, Ben, got another one. I was distracted by you handing me the crappie magnets. And we caught another big crappie, Ben. 2 casts in a row. Whoa, look at that big crappie, Ben. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's fun, huh? Oh, I just got wet. I just got crappie wet. Oh, look at that, another nice crappie right there, Ben. Look at that, buddy. Where are you going? There we go, hook popped right out. My son brought me my crappie magnets. And the crappie took it as I wasn't paying attention. And there's my son running away from the crappie. Look at that, those are some nice fish. And look, you know, don't be surprised at the size of the fish you could catch in a little pond. I mean, these are nice crappie. That's a really nice crappie right there. So, say bye-bye to the crappie, Ben. Bye-bye. You want to pet him? You want to pet the crappie? No? Okay, well, Ben has spoken. Mr. Crappie is going to go back to his house. Say bye-bye, crappie. There he goes. And we got crappie fishing going on. Gonna throw right back in there. This is a pre-spawn setup here in these little ponds. Oh, there we go again. Caught him again, Ben. Another one, that's 3 in a row. Oh, that's another crappie. That one's a feisty crappie. All right, 3 casts in a row, Fishalots, and we got 3 crappie. So this is, again, ultralight gear is really the key here. What I'm fishing with is a St. Croix Panfish Series rod. There you go, Ben. See a little crappie? That's a nice one too, huh? Wait, don't step on my rod, please. It's ultralight. You're going to break it. And that's the problem with 4-year-old fishing there. You got to catch the fish. You got to make sure the 4-year-old stays out of the water, and you got to make sure he doesn't step and break your rods. So there's another crappie for everyone. There you go. That's 3 in a row. We'll let him go as well. Oh, there we go. Ben, I caught another one. I didn't even try. I just put the rod in the water. I just put the rod in the water and I got a little bass. Oh boy, that's why you shouldn't keep your rod. Oh, there we go. I wasn't even fishing. I just kind of dropped the rod in. Caught me a little bass. Boy, these crappie magnets. These are fish catching machines, these lures. Oh, there's Ben putting more lures on my lap. Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you. See a little bass? Okay, bye, Mr. Bass. Bye-bye, yeah, bye-bye, bass. Boy, I wasn't even trying that time, guys. I mean, I literally just had the lure in the water there. A bass swam up right from this cover right here. Bass came up and ate my lure. You still see the carpet? Oh, you fell down. And there's Ben on the floor as he just ate grass. You still see the carp? Oh my goodness. All right, let's see if we can make it 5 in a row, buddy. All right, we're gonna cast in there again, Fishalots, and we're gonna, it's a really simple retrieval. All I got is a peg float, a 164 ounce Bobby Garland jig head. This is a Panfish series. Oh, there he goes again. Oh, just missed him. Oh, that's the first time we didn't catch a fish in 5 casts. And all right, Fishalots, I hope you're finding value out of this video. And if you are, of course, go ahead and smash that like button. This way, this video can spread to more Fishalots out there and help them catch more crappie. All right, let's get back into the action. And actually, I was rudely interrupted by that fish, but this is a 164 ounce Bobby Garland jig head with a peg float. There it goes again. And there's another fish. Oh, another nice crappie. There we go. Another nice crappie on the crappie magnet. I can't even tell you the equipment I'm using. We're catching fish here so fast. So nice. That's another nice crappie, though. This is 2-pound test line. You can't horse them too much. There we go. And you'd be amazed at how big a fish you could catch with 2-pound test line. Come here, give me your mouth, Mr. Crappie. There we go. Yeah, I got another crappie. See that? That's another nice crappie, Ben. See, so, you know, Ben wanted to go out for a walk. I said, no problem. Let me grab my ultralight gear. There goes Ben running up the hill away from my crappie. And there's my crappie. Just another nice fish right there, Fishalots. All right, there's Ben. There's a crappie. We're having a good time. Let's throw him back. We'll get another one. What you doing, Ben? Ben, I thought we were fishing. Ben, I thought we were fishing, and I thought Grandpa was supposed to be watching you to make sure you didn't cover yourself with cow poop. Right? What are you doing? Good thing your mommy doesn't watch your daddy's YouTube channel. Good thing. Crappie's so good. Might as well keep crappie fishing. There we go again, Ben, another one. Oh, it's a bass this time. There we go. Another cat. So that has to be 6 or 7 casts in a row. Oh, that's a fighter. Ben, look at this fish. Okay, boy, fishing with a 4-year-old is always pretty entertaining. Ben, see the fish? Forget the crappie. Forget the lures. Look at the fish. That's why we bring the lures, is to catch the fish. See? Look, see the bass? Look, Ben. Yeah. All right, guys, there you go. Another little bass, pond bass there, and it's fish after fish. Just fish. Oh, that one's got a nick on him. Just fish after fish. Ben's running around having a good time. My dad's having a good time. All right, and it's literally, whoa, Mr. Ben fell down. Did you fall down? Are you being silly? He is. He's just running back and forth. Are you being silly? Are you having a good time outside in the spring? Yeah.
Want to fly or we'll get some Ben?
No, careful, Ben. Don't fall in the lake.
Yeah, that'd be a problem.
So number 1 goal of fishing with a 4-year-old is keeping the 4-year-old out of the lake. If you catch fish, that's a bonus. All right, let's throw it back in there. All right, so, oh boy, Ben, I got another one. Oh boy. This is the joys of pond fishing when these fish are thrown out. Oh, it's a bluegill this time. We got our pond slam. We caught a bass, crappie, and bluegill. That's our fishing pond slam right there. All on a Bobby Garland 164 ounce jig head, a peg float, a crappie magnet. There we go, Fishalots. That's another bluegill. Boy, they fight hard pound for pound, don't they? Let's throw him on back. Ben, I guess, is just doing his thing over there. Ben, you having a good time? Here comes Ben. Here comes baby Ben. Whoa, 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 whoa. You fell down. You fell down. Ben, you want Daddy to catch another fish?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, Ben wants Dad to keep doing the work while he just keeps running around like a maniac, having a good time. All right, so here's a presentation. I can't actually get through my fishing rod equipment because the fish keep biting it. So I'm just gonna let it sit there for a while. Usually I'll be twitching it like that to trigger a bite. But right now I'm just gonna let it sit just so I can describe what I'm doing here. This is a St. Croix Panfish Series Ultralight rod. I absolutely love this thing for this type of fishing. It's just fantastic. There goes the peg float again. I don't know if you could see it. There it goes. Oh, and we missed the fish. That's all right. I actually didn't want to catch a fish because I wanted to explain to you guys what I'm using here. And this is an Okuma Seamars C10 fishing reel. This is a great fishing reel for this application. All right, so I'm doing is I'm making a cast. So now this is shallow water heading into deep water. There we go again. See, I can't even tell you guys. Oh, the hook came out. The hook came out, Ben. I missed him. I missed the fish. I tell you what, these crappie magnets are pretty tough. We've caught quite a bit of fish just on this one chartreuse crappie magnet. It's still hanging in there pretty good. And there you have it. It's still straight on the hook. Still looking good, and it's still getting bites. So, all right, so let me show you the rigging here, Fishalots. This is actually going to be fairly easy. All right, so I got a peg float right here, just super simple, super cheap. I got about 1.5 to 2 foot leader on a crappie magnet. This is a 164 ounce Bobby Garland jig head on a little crappie magnet, chartreuse. And that's, of course, connected to 2-pound test line. This is Trout SOS test line. I would always recommend going with 2-pound test line. You would be amazed the difference in bites you get on 2-pound test line, and you'd be amazed on 2-pound monofilament how big of a fish you could catch with this. And now what I'm doing is I'm going to watch for Ben so I don't hook him in the face. That won't be a good fishing trip. There's Ben on the floor. What you doing, Ben? Just make sure you stand out of the lake, buddy. I'm just casting it out there, and with the peg float, I'm actually just jigging it with the peg float. So I'm actually going to be suspending that crappie magnet just underneath the float. And with that ultralight rod action, you can see it right there, I could get a lot of action on that lure without actually moving it. And that's exactly how you trigger a bite. Just like that, see? So you could get quite a bit of action on that lure with a peg float, and you're not actually moving the lure all that much. There you go, another little bass. Ben, you want to see the bass? There goes Ben, flying all around. And that's exactly how you trigger the bites, just like that. So, you know, I love doing an instructional video like that, then having the fish just come up and cooperate perfectly for me right there. So there you go, little bass. Fun though, but we're gonna keep throwing in here in the meantime. Oh, I could hear Ben, so that means he's good. Ben's being a crazy baby. Where are you going? Where are you going? Whoa. Well, stay out of the water, please. Ben is just having a ball over there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, Ben, I caught, see, every time I look over at you, I catch a bass, buddy. Well, I would have liked to show you that bite there, Fishalots, but Ben, oh, easy, buddy. Oh, you're in the water, the fish is in the water, everybody's in the water. All right, another little bass. All right, so there we go, another little bass for you Fishalots out there. It's literally just one cast after the other. You just poke that lure free. There you go. Ben, don't go in the street, buddy. You got to wait. So Ben's good luck, you know. Every time I look over to make sure he's not injuring himself or falling into the water, I end up catching a fish. And see, there you go. So there's a float. Again, there's the action you're kind of putting on it. Just a jigging action, and there it goes. See, and then you catch another bass. So these are small bass, but we have caught some nice crappie. Well, Ben, look, I got another little bass. All right, here we go, another little bass. And that's it, guys. That's the action you're putting on these crappie magnets. Nothing too extravagant. Another nice little bass there. Throw him back. Oh, careful, careful. Don't go in the water, please. Mommy won't like that. If I bring you home soaking wet, Daddy will be in trouble. Right? Yeah, Daddy will be in trouble. Oh, you're falling on the concrete? You being goofy? Ben really likes walking that line, by the way, in case you guys couldn't figure that out. So here's my peg float. There's Ben. You got to watch both in order to catch a fish and in order to save Ben from, you know, drowning. That's the most important part of the fishing trip, is to make sure your 4-year-old survives and doesn't get hooked and enjoys himself. There he goes. That's why I got my dad here to help. What are you doing, buddy? You're just running around like a crazy baby. There we go. There's another fish, guys. Let's see what we got here. What do we got, Ben? Oh, it's another nice crappie. There we go. That's a good one. Oh, and he just got a whole bunch of slime on him. Oh, Ben got Grandpa. Oh, another nice crappie. All right, come here, Mr. Crappie. Crappie magnets producing some crappie. There we go. Very good, Ben. Ben, you see the crappie? I did bring a pair of pliers. Which are right here. There we go. All right, buddy. Let's say goodbye to Mr. Fishy. Here, Ben, you see Mr. Fish? Can you say hi to the fish? There we go. Another nice one. And we're going to throw him back. Off he goes. All right. It's almost every cast with these crappie magnets and peg float combo. What's great about it is you're suspend fishing, just like you would. I have plenty of videos out there of catfish suspend fishing. This is the same exact concept, only with bass, crappie, and bluegill, and it works great. And I just had a hit there. I think that's a smaller fish. Careful, Ben. My son's trying to give me a heart attack the best he can. Doing a good job, I would say. Yeah, that's where you should stay, right there. On the solid ground. I mean, we had a lot of fun. There we go. Look, Ben. Oh, another nice crappie. There we go again, guys. Ultralight fishing, crappie fishing. These are all nice crappie, by the way. There we go. It's a spring crappie fishing. And it's really a lot of fun. And boy, they do fight with this ultralight 2-pound test line. No, 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 come out of there. There he goes. There we go. All right. Yeah, bye-bye fish. It's a crappie. Oh, there's a crappie. We got him. Oh, see, Ben, we got him right there, buddy. There goes Ben running away from the fish again. And there's another. And all right, Fishalots, I hope you enjoyed this video and the thrills and spills of taking a 4-year-old fishing with you. But if you want to dive deeper into crappie habits, how to find them, how to catch them, why this type of rig works so well for them, make sure to click on this end card right here where we're going deep onto all things crappie to make you a better crappie fish-a-lot. And all right, if you got this far into the video, of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. This way, when I post new content, you'll be notified. I'll see you out there on the water, Fishalots.